Hey guys, today I'm going to be taking apart the Dr. Meter kitchen scale, and I just wanted to know what was inside of it. So I decided to break it down so everybody can see what's inside of a, digital measuring scale. It should be the same. I don't think they should be that different, all of them. So I'm going to take mine apart and let you guys see what's inside of a kitchen scale. Okay? And as always, guys, you're in charge. Thumbs up if you like, thumbs down if you don't. I'd appreciate anyone. All right. Now let's get down to business. Now, as you can see, you don't see any screws anywhere, but if you pry these little stands off here, it keeps it from sliding on your counter. There will be hidden screws underneath. Now, let me pry this off here. And voila, Phillips head screw. And I've noticed since I've been taking these apart, Phillips head screws are very standard on a lot of equipment. I've noticed that. So I think everybody got together and said, hey, let's all use Phillips head screws. Now, got this off, so I see 4. Let me open the battery compartment. I do not see any screws underneath here, so I'll put that back on. And I'm going to take these screws apart here. For the base, these are very smaller versions, so pull out my little small Phillips head screwdriver here. Alright. Now for the third one, let's see if anything happens here. Are there any hidden screws somewhere I don't know about? Alright. Alright, let me get these. Oh, this one's not out fully yet. Get this one out fully. Okay, so I have all those screws off and it's still sealed. Let's see. I might need to pry on it here. Yep, that's it. To pry around the edge here. Right now, guys, I'm using my screwdriver and this stuff, but I have tools coming in. When I get the tools in, well, they're not tools, but they're prying tools, I should say. When I get those in, I'll do an unboxing of those so you guys can see. Now I'm prying and it's not separating. So let me see if I can crack it a little bit to see if I can see what's stopping it from being released here. I don't see anything that's stopping it, so I'm going to try to take the top piece off. Maybe that's... Oh, that one's not moving. Okay. So I pried the top piece off. It was held down by this glue. That's why it wouldn't come off. So, top piece is off. And I don't see anything fancy in here. This is very strange. I can see where the battery compartment is right here in the back, but other than that, I guess this is like a pressure sensor to gauge the weight. Okay, let's see. There's a little slot here. Let's see what this is. Oh, 2 secret screws. Right, let's get those off. That's probably what holds down the pressure sensor. That's probably what got me, but I pried it off the glue, so. But you guys are learning from my mistake. There were 2 secret screws right here. I usually look for these, but I didn't get into it too much, so you guys are learning from my mistake here. Wow. These are some long screws. Alright, let's see how far this is going to go here. Alrighty, there we go, finally. Alright, there it is. Comes right out like that. So I didn't have to pry it off the glue, but you live and you learn. Okay, so I got that off. Now, to figure out if I can get the front and where the main component is, I guess I'll have to just yank it off. There we go. Got that. Let's see, there's no spot for screws, right? But when I pried this off, it had 2 screws underneath. So you'd have to take this LCD screen off to get to these screws. So that's how they set that up. But I mean, I don't know why they did that, but trying to keep me from taking their equipment apart, but it's too late. Okay, now here's the control board right here. A little switch. I think you guys can hear that. These are for the 2 buttons on the side. There's a button here and a button over here. Here's the other one over here. I'm going to take it apart. Get these 2 screws out. Here's the other one. Now for the main. This is what I've been looking forward to right here. So this is the front of that. The screen here. Let's see. Wow, there's nothing here. There is absolutely nothing here. It just has the little pressure sensor, this little control board, and there's like well, let me see what I can see on here. I can see some multi-layer ceramic transistors. I can see those all over here. See a little transistor over here. I can't see anything else on here. It's amazing. I guess this is the memory with all the information or integrated circuit in here. But that's it, guys. This is amazing. Look at that. I expected more. Like, I expected more integrated circuits, all that, but no. This is the whole thing. I'm amazed. This is my first time taking one of these apart, but I expected more. Anyway, I thank you guys for watching the video. Hope it was helpful, informative, and bye-bye. I'll see you on the next video.